I never planned to be a Reiki teacher. I did not have that vision for myself. I knew I was going to go to massage school and be a massage therapist, but I didn't really have a vision as to what was next. I just figured it would come. And when I started teaching Reiki, I honestly thought it was just going to be a stepping stone. I was only going to do it for a little while before doing other greater things. And I am doing other greater things, but I'm still teaching Reiki because it's so rewarding and it's so important. It is one of those bases that I feel that everyone should know. Everyone should know some form of energy therapy, in my opinion, whether it's Qigong or sound therapy or polarity therapy or Reiki or whatever it is, working with energy, okay? Working with energy. When your body, when your energy system is blocked in any way, that's when disease and problems occur. Same thing if you physically get hurt, then your energy blocks, okay? And then sometimes our emotions block stuff, and then we physically feel it. And so our energy anatomy needs to be addressed. Where there's stagnancy, there's issues. The chi needs to be flowing through all of our meridians, the chakras, everything needs to be free flowing. Our nervous system needs to be balanced for us to feel balanced. So when I teach Reiki, I have people from all walks of life come to these trainings. It's so incredible to see who comes and who shows up and who meets and who's there for that time to meet and find this common interest, which is this basic innate ability that we all have within us. But yet we're often not taught this. We're often not, honestly, energy work is considered woo-woo, right? A lot of people just don't believe that stuff. They don't see the real science behind it. They don't actually see the results. They don't give themselves the ability to be like, that actually works, because they've been programmed to believe that doesn't work, that the doctors know what they're doing only. And I'm not trying to diss doctors, because I feel that they're very valid in a lot of what they need to do too. I mean, you're not going to Reiki your broken arm back, okay? You'll help the healing for sure, but the Reiki itself is not going to grow your arm back. I think that the classes that I have been putting out are filling up right now like crazy, because everyone's starting to wake up inside and realize, I need to do something to help heal this planet. And that starts with yourself, right? It's an inside job. Healing is an inside job. When you fix yourself, when you heal yourself and you go out there, your resonance entrains with other people around you to help them calm down. If you're calm, you're going to help someone else calm down. If you're aggravated, you're going to aggravate someone else. And what I'm seeing right now is everyone just aggravating the fuck out of each other. And it's so sad. You know, if we all just smile, that really is a contagious effect towards uplifting or optimistic perspective on things, rather than this fear mentality that everyone's in. No one has any hope. Everyone seems to be living in fear. And so I think it's so important, and I feel like a lot of people feel this way, that to find the tools to be able to help yourself, and then also to help other people in so many different ways. By just learning these tools and knowing how your innate ability to help heal yourself is going to help yourself and help the planet. And literally to use these tools to physically put your hands on the planet and help heal it, okay? Reiki is one of those basic modalities that's easy for people to learn, and then you can grow from there. And so, like I said, people from all walks of life. I have every career you can think of. People come in these classes. They're not just healers, okay? But they all want to learn these ways of being able to find tools to calm their energy, or to calm their body, to clear their energy, to help heal their pain, to feel more clarity, to feel more alive, to feel more in touch with themselves, right? Because this is the only thing that matters. Your brain and your heart, how you go out and look at the world and respond to it, is going to affect the world. Stop believing the world's affecting you. Just stop. Stop always believing that the world is fucking you over and messing things up. Yeah, life's hard. It's going to do that. But it's your perspective, and it's your groundedness, and it's your response to it versus the reaction to it. So remember your tools. Seek your tools. Thank you so much for everyone who's coming to these Reiki classes. It's so much fun, and it's so important. And I'm so glad that more people are finding these trainings, because it's, again, like I said, the basis to learn the beginning steps of learning who you really are and what you're capable of. Okay. Like, give yourself a chance to open your mind and know that there's other ways that you can implement this world, learn those tools, implement them, see how it changes things. And then it's just magic. Right. And so I just am so excited to continue to teach Reiki and to continue to teach people that you are your own healer and you have the impact of being able to help create balance and harmony in this planet. That's our job right now, light workers. And things are going to get more intense. I'm not even going to say bad. It could be good or bad. It doesn't really matter. Honestly, what matters is that you are centered in it. The center of the tornado. You're not off center getting spun around. No matter what's happening in our outer world, stay centered. Stay in your presence moment. Easier said than done, I know. This isn't like some small feat, but when you have your tools, it becomes easier, especially when you practice. So find your tools, use them, help our planet, help yourself, love, 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 smile, smile, smile. You got it. Let's do it.